everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Betika account on a web browser. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your Betika.com account, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice, or you can also simply open up your Betika application that has been downloaded on your mobile devices. In the URL box at the top, type in www.betika.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, it'll take you to the official site of Betika, which looks like this. In order to log into an existing account, all you need to do is to click on this login link at the top right, and in the login area, enter your phone number associated with your Betika.com account in the first text box, followed by its password. You'll need to enter the credential that matches the required while registering for your Betika.com account, so make sure to type in the information correct. If you don't remember your password during login in, you can click on this forgot your password link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. If you'd like to stay signed in with this account, then make sure to click on this keep me logged in box at the bottom, but if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave it unchecked before logging in. Finally, after entering all of your information correct, that is your phone number and your password, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Betika.com account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.